Welcome to the advanced guide to Revolut Saving Vaults, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your finances effectively. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up and utilizing Revolut Saving Vaults to achieve your financial goals. First, let's start with the basics. A Revolut Saving Vault is a separate account within your Revolut app where you can stash your money and earn interest on it. To create a vault, simply open your Revolut app, navigate to the Vaults section, and click on Create a New Vault. You can then choose a name for your vault and set a target amount you want to save. One of the key features of Revolut Saving Vaults is the ability to set up recurring transfers from your main account to your vault. This allows you to automate your savings and ensure that you consistently put aside a portion of your income. To set up a recurring transfer, go to the Vaults section, select the vault you want to fund, and click on the Transfer button. You can then choose the frequency and amount of the transfer. Another important concept to understand is the difference between a vault and a savings goal. A vault is a general savings account, while a savings goal is a specific target you want to achieve, such as saving for a holiday or a big purchase. To create a savings goal, navigate to the Vaults section, click on Create a New Vault, and select the Savings Goal option. You can then choose a name for your goal, set a target amount, and choose a deadline. In terms of best practices, it's essential to make sure you have enough money in your main account to cover your daily expenses. Before transferring funds to your vault, you should also review and adjust your vaults and savings goals regularly to ensure they remain aligned with your financial objectives. To maximize the benefits of Revolut Saving Vaults, consider the following tips. First, take advantage of the interest rates offered on your vaults to grow your savings over time. Second, use the budgeting features within the Revolut app to track your income and expenses and make informed decisions about your finances. Finally, consider setting up multiple vaults for different savings goals to keep your finances organized and focused. In conclusion, Revolut Saving Vaults are a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your savings goals. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and implementing the best practices and tips provided, you can unlock the full potential of Revolut Saving Vaults and take control of your financial future.